Morning, everyone. We had studied about the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Okay, so today I'll be summarizing the poem so that it is clear in your heads. Okay, let's read out. This article is presenting the tale of Custard the Dragon summary in an easy way. Okay, Frederick Ogden Nash is the name of the poet. This poem is a fantasy in verse about Belinda, who lives alone in her house with her 4 pets. Okay, fantasy means an imagination. Okay, something which cannot be real, which we fantasize, which we imagine. These are a little kitten, Ink. Her name is Ink. A grey colored mouse whose name is Blink, a little yellow colored dog, Mustard, and a dragon, Custard. All the people of the house pride themselves. Pride means they are a lot of proud on their fearlessness and bravery. They are so proud of themselves that they are very brave. They are very strong. If any difficulty will come, they will easily be able to face it. They were not coward. They believed the games and they looked down upon Custard for his timidity. Timidity means timid is being coward, darpoke. One day when a pirate arrives, only Custard is ready with a ferocious response. Ferocious means very wild. Okay? Ready to just knock down that person with full anger, wild feeling. Response at that moment. He gobbles the pirate up. Gobbles means eats him up. Okay? And shows his friends about his bravery. After the danger is past, all again begins to boast about their courage. Everyone got scared when they saw the pirate. They hid themselves. But only Custard was one such animal who fearlessly fought with that situation. And after that situation was over, everyone again came to their normal being, and as usual, as they used to boost their fearlessness, they started doing the same thing. Custard agreed that everyone is brave much more than him. But now everyone is knowing the fact as who is brave and who is coward. The situation has told everything clearly. Frederick Ogden Nash is an American poet who is famous for his light verse. He was famous as the producer of a humorous poetry. Humorous means full of laughter. He wrote this poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. In the story of a ballet means a song that tells a story. Ballet is a song, okay? Ballet narrates the tale of courage or heroism. Courage is someone who is very brave, who is ready to fight with any difficulty with that passion. He is very fearless. Such a humorous ballet is ending with a parody, okay? Parody is again a musical thing. Belinda lived in a little white house with her 4 pets. A black kitten, a grey mouse, a yellow dog, and a little dragon. And a red wagon too. Wagon, I told you, is a transportation thing. Okay? Used for moving from here to there. Name of the black cat was Ink. Little grey mouse was Blink. Little yellow dog was Mustard. Boo, the dragon, was a coward. And Belinda called him Custard. Custard dragon was having big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath. I told you everything clearly about his physical appearance, children, through a picture also. His mouth was similar to a fireplace and nose as a chimney. Also, he had daggers on his toes. Daggers is a knife. Basically, his toes nails were very pointed. Belinda believes herself as a brave, as barrel full of bears. Barrel is group, many bears together. Ink and Blink were able to chase lions down the stairs. Mustard was a brave and an angry tiger. It looked like. On the other hand, Custard always acted as the weakest one. Okay, someone who's very coward. Okay. Belinda always tickled Custard ruthlessly. Ruthlessly means in full anger. In full anger. Okay. Other pets sarcastically as in ironically, सुनाना किसी को, ताने मारना. Called him Percival means knight of King Arthur's court who sought Holy Grail. Okay, now this Percival was a very brave soldier. He compared the soldier with Custard, as in they were mocking him out, okay, laughing at him. Whenever Custard wanted a safe cage of him, Belinda and Blink giggled. Giggled means laugh softly in their heart's content. Not only this, Ink and Mustard asked him how old he was, that he was scared of every little thing. Once they encountered means came in one-to-one front of, a pirate with guns in both hands and a knife between his teeth. Seeing pirate, Belinda started crying for help. Then all the animals hid themselves, okay, in order to protect themselves. They didn't thought about Belinda that time. Only Custard fought with the pirate and ate him up with a single bite. As Custard saved everyone, all thanked them, okay. But in the end, they realized that they used to make fun of the dragon as he was timid. So all of them suddenly started saying that they are braver than him and hence could have handled the situation in a much better way. So what was the conclusion? Poet was trying to say that sometimes a timid person is an actual hero in the toughest situation. I told you, children, we never know how strong we are until being strong is the only thing we have. Okay? So another proverb which applies to this poem is never judge a book by its cover. Okay? Children, go through it and do the exercises.